celebrate your hard work. You are some math champs. All right, we had a little fun, but I need you to do one more problem for me. So I need you to get a dry erase marker, a dry erase board, or you can just use your table. Go ahead and get your materials now. All right, with your dry erase marker, I need you to draw the number 7 using a 5 group. Go ahead and pause to show me that. Great. Now, I want to know how many more 7 needs to make 10. Feel free to use a math strategy to draw that. With your dry erase marker, I need you to now write an equation that shows how many 7 needs to make 10. On Seesaw, I want you to make a video walking me through it. Show me your math drawing. Tell me about your number sentence. And if you feel like it, maybe give me a little celebration dance because you are at the end of your math obstacle race. Fabulous job, my friends.